Keep going. Keep trying.
Try better. Come on, you can do better than that. You can do better than that.
Send it to Miss. No, don't send it. I can't send it on there.
Keep going. You're doing good.
Why? Okay. You live like this. You live like this.
You know, at the school you're going to, there's a hula hoop team.
What's that?
A team that hula hoops.
They'll teach you how to do it.
Huh?
They'll teach you how to really do it. That's how you do it. Go back and forth. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
What is it?
Dad, you try. Dad, you be in the video now.
This one's too small for me.
Go get Trey in here to videotape or to hula hoop.
Huh?
Go get Trey.
What?
See if he can do it.
I can do that. I can do that. I can do that.
All right, let's see.
What? I do this.